While mechanical keyboards continue gaining popularity for their satisfying tactile feel and custom layouts, especially among typists and gamers, another essential tool quietly rising in demand is emergency light sticks. Lightweight, portable, and battery-free.
List number 1. 32 PCS Ultra Bright 6-inch glow sticks, 12-hour duration. This 32-pack of Ultra Bright 6-inch glow sticks is a top pick for those seeking quantity, brightness, and durability in one package. Each stick is individually wrapped, waterproof, and produces consistent light for up to 12 hours. Ideal for emergency kits, power outages, or outdoor use, these glow sticks come in assorted colors for high visibility. The chemical formula inside is non-toxic and phthalate-free.
List number 32 Ultra Bright 6-inch large green glow sticks. 12-hour duration, designed specifically for emergency preparedness. These 32 Ultra Bright green glow sticks offer high visibility in the dark with their vivid, consistent green glow. Each stick provides 12 hours of illumination and is individually foil wrapped, ensuring a long shelf life of up to 5 years. The single color uniformity makes them great for signaling or marking paths in blackout or survival scenarios. List number 3. Emergency glow sticks, 12-hour duration, individually wrapped industrial grade. These industrial grade emergency glow sticks are made for reliability in real-world survival and disaster situations. Each stick emits light for 12 hours straight, making them ideal for extended blackouts or search and rescue use. Their military-grade chemical formula ensures a powerful, even glow. Each one is individually wrapped to prevent light degradation over time, and they come with long-lasting shelf life. List number 30 Ultra Bright glow sticks in bulk, multi-use glow sticks for parties. If you're looking for a large set of glow sticks for both emergencies and fun, this 30-pack of Ultra Bright multi-use glow sticks fits the bill. While designed with versatility in mind, camping, night runs, parties, raves, they're also a smart addition to any home emergency kit. List number 5. Emergency glow sticks, 12 Ultra Bright, individually wrapped, military-grade chem lights. These military-grade emergency glow sticks deliver high-intensity illumination with a 12-hour glow, crucial for blackout conditions or emergency signaling. Each of the 12 individually wrapped sticks is designed to last up to 5 years in storage, making them ideal for emergency preparedness kits. The chemical formula is non-toxic and safe, and the sticks are fully waterproof and windproof.